what's up, Rock Band? Today is our first ever load of Vibratory Tumbler. We went through a lot of stuff as far as getting this going. In the future, we'll probably do a video on what we got going on for our setup. It's if you get stuff on sale, it's like $100 basically to go ahead and run this setup or make it. Maybe 105, something like that. But
yeah, about that.
A little bit cheaper than what you normally get. We're gonna go ahead and dump her out. Check to see what we got. And then we'll go back over to the table and kind of do another closer look at it. Oh, she's cakey, isn't she? She's hella cakey. Alright, let's go ahead and try to vibrate this here and vibrate. Rinse the sludge out here some. We might have to go ahead and do a quick vibratory clean on this before we show you up there. Let's go ahead and polish. You see the polish in the borax, I guess, was pretty cakey. Might just want to dunk it right down in. Give her a little rinse around or something. See what happens. Oh, we might need to go ahead and do a clean and then come back.
We might have to clean these and come back again, guys.
Yeah, we're not sure what other people do because this is our first time ever doing
First time ever.
tumble. So kind of give you a little peek, and then we're gonna maybe do a quick little clean and then come back in an hour when it's done. Come here.
Come see.
The balancing act. See if we can get you down here without you got rock debris all over everything. Be good. Hey, what's up? You're down. So essentially, this is what we got going on so far. We're gonna go ahead and clean them out, take the ceramic out and stuff. Give you a little better look. We got everything in here from like petrified wood to like some common stuff from around here. A lot of jewelry type stuff that we were going to use to make jewelry. So
lots of agates in there.
There's some agates in here. It looks like another piece of petrified wood maybe. That's definitely a piece of crazy lace. But we're going to go ahead and rinse this off really quick, and then we'll be back and we'll show you the finished product. Alright, we're back. Everything's dried off, clean, etc. You can go ahead and look at some different things. Seen Sarah pull these ones off to the side because they're pretty, well, they're good to look at. A couple different agates here. Turned out pretty good. Still got a little bit of the host rock and stuff going on, but they're pretty. They'll make some good jewelry. We're going to separate this into stuff to make for jewelry maybe. Go ahead and show it up.
This is a bunch of crazy lace. Just little pieces in chunks.
Try to get more inside thing. Probably go ahead and turn those into jewelry also, maybe, or maybe. Probably, most likely. Oh, let's see here. Got some big ones in here, like this guy. Turned out really good. He'll probably go in a tumbled rocks bag of sorts.
Oh, I was giving you all.
Oh, okay, sure. All right. Right here we got some petrified wood. This stuff actually turned out. Some of this turned out really nice. It's gonna make some nice jewelry. Has a good shine on it, except for my grubby ass finger marks I just put on it. But some more petrified wood.
Yeah.
All right, some more petrified wood. You can see some of it still has the host rock on it a little. The inside looks pretty. But we'll probably go ahead and turn most of all that into jewelry as well.
These are agates as well.
Okay, these are some agates. Nice little heart agate here. Another nice little agate. A lot of the host on the back. This one might be petrified wood. This is a different kind of petrified wood, I think.
Oh, you're probably right there.
But because it has those grains, it's really pretty though. That'll probably be jewelry. Maybe that'll go in a rock gibby or bag thing. And we got some of this here. This is another agate. This one's got a little bit of something going on. This one, not so much. And then we got a nice little water level part on the bottom of that guy there. She's pretty. I'll probably go jewelry stuff.
I don't remember what these are. Was that just a rock that we slabbed?
This could have just been a rock that we slabbed. It looked like some kind of nice Looked like some kind of nice that we slabbed. It didn't take the greatest polish. It doesn't look horrible, but it's not the greatest. Maybe we'll turn that into a couple magnets to sell off or something.
Quartz here.
It'll be a magnet pile. All right. So, let's throw that one because that one's jumpy. You got to watch out. You can tell by the fractures it has. Different quartz. You got a nice little purpley, not quite amethyst, but kind of. They're pretty. Some more little pebbles here. Some pink Jasper. I was probably in one of these next batches. There's gonna be some pink Jasper jewelry. I took the little pieces, threw them in there. They didn't actually take as nice of a polish as I would have liked.
No. The rest of the stuff didn't polish so well.
Alright, some of the stuff...
Great, yeah. But the rest of the stuff...
Some of the stuff didn't polish the greatest. The agates and everything else turned out really good, but...
A piece of petrified wood.
They're a piece of petrified wood.
Like the epidotes turned out really well.
Yeah. A couple little epidotes, eh? Couple little epidotes.
This one didn't turn out as good as I'd like it to.
Yeah, this one here didn't turn out quite as good. It's kind of... You got a decent shine on the epidote part, but the basalt rock at the top here definitely didn't do quite as good as we'd like, but it's still kind of a cool rock.
A couple of little ambigoidals here.
Yeah. Oh, a couple little ambigoidal chunks there. Probably meant to be possibly jewelry. They still might be. We'll see. We'll see. I really like that one down here.
That's different.
We got this one that's different.
Polished pretty well.
Polished really well. I'm not sure what it is, but it polished nice. It'll probably be some jewelry type stuff. Got a nice little Dalmatian heart here that got a decent polish. Oh, a couple more little Agate hearts. This one looked like it got broken, got a little beat up, but it's still pretty.
This is some of the same piece there.
This here is, yeah.
Little slabberdoodles.
Yeah, little slabs that we did as stuff that we could possibly make into cabs. It didn't take the greatest polish. It ain't horrible, it just ain't beautiful, but it's nice.
Same thing with this bloodstone. I was kind of disappointed in that it didn't polish up very well, and we lost all this redness in the back and just a little bit left on the other side there.
Mm-hmm. Anything else cool and worth showing? Bring it all out here in front.
Oh, there's a nice little piece of Unakite.
Yeah, show that.
Nice little piece of Unakite.
This is our first vibratory tumble. Maybe we'll do another one before we do a video on our tumbler setup, just to kind of get a good idea. You can tell like the quartz took a really nice shine, the basalt didn't, and that's fine. That's just how the rocks work. We're learning to what's worth polishing, what's not.
Nice shine. So did that one.
This weird little guy here, even though he's kind of like smoky and almost looks a little dirty still. Maybe I'll have to lick him to get him clean. Maybe we'll just throw him in again. He's got a cool little tourmaline inclusion in there, in that quartz. Be nice to, but it looks a little dirty still. Look a little cracked too, to be honest.
Looks smoky.
Smoky?
That's smoky.
Smoky?
Smoky quartz.
Smoky quartz with tourmaline. Anything else super cool to show here? Oh, another cool little piece of Unakite. Took a nice shine.
That's another piece of petrified wood.
Oh yeah, it's a nice little, doesn't look like it was going to be a heart, but it looked like it got broke actually, because you can tell by the little slice in here, because how I have to make hearts, because I don't have something to carve them around like. Yeah, got a bunch of other little rocks here. Definitely comment, tell us what you think your favorite ones were that we showed. Another little Unakite.
It's an epidote. There's no pink in there.
There is, there's pink right there.
Very little.
Still Unakite.
That's epidote.
It's epidote and feldspar. It's a, what do you call it? When you call ones that are a little bit off with granite are called granitoids. We call that a unicoid.
A unicoid.
A unicoid. It's kind of like Unakite, but it's a little bit off. Unicoid.
A unicoid.
See, this guy right here I was really looking forward to him too. And he polished kind of decent. I'll probably still make something out of him, but not as well as I would have liked. But definitely go ahead and comment down below what you think your favorites are. We're going to go ahead and throw another batch in the tumbler here. That one's got a little bit of stuff on it. I'll have to clean them off a little better. That's what happens when you have little cracks. And it seems like we had a couple little breaks in here. So maybe we'll have to, you know, make sure we add more ceramic, something along those lines. Not sure. We'll have to figure that part out. But definitely comment below. Tell us what your favorite one was. And we will definitely be doing more of these. We're going to go ahead and throw some more rocks in the tumbler now. Make sure to like, subscribe, and all that other fun stuff. Peace, Rock fam.